Page Numbers PDF Champ. Need to organize your PDFs with clear numbering? PDF Champ's Page Numbers tool lets you add custom page numbers with ease and precision. What the feature does: this tool allows you to add sequential page numbers to any PDF. Choose from multiple numbering formats, positions, and styles, including Bates numbering for legal documents. Use it for document numbering. Sequentially number your reports and PDFs. Book formatting. Number pages in books, manuals, or guides. Legal documents. Apply Bates numbering for legal filing. Report numbering. Organize proposals and reports professionally. Why use page numbers? Multiple numbering formats. Bates numbering for legal documents. Flexible positions on pages. Custom styling with fonts and colors. Step-by-step guide. 1. Open Page Numbers. Open the Page Numbers tool from Advanced Tools. 2. Select the PDF file. Choose the PDF where you want to add page numbers. 3. Choose numbering format. Select the numbering style that fits your document. 4. Set starting number and increment. Specify the starting page number and increment as needed. 5. Add prefix or suffix. Add any prefix or suffix, like page 1 of 10, for additional clarity. 6. Choose position. Decide where the page numbers should appear on the pages. 7. Set font, size, and color. Customize the font, size, and color to match your document style. 8. Preview and apply page numbers. Preview your settings and click Apply. Your PDF is now neatly numbered. Add clear, professional page numbers to your PDFs with PDF Champ's Page Numbers feature.